shit. This is bull crap. I asked for something. What I ordered is not what I got. I asked for some kind of, guacamole, mushroom type shit, some good type shit. And what they brought is this full shit. Nigga, fuck that shit.
Now you go pay for this food. Let me tell you. I was show you, but I mean, carry this food go back. Don't take away from me.
This bullshit. Nigga, fuck it.
It's too global for this.
The truth of the matter is, listen, hold on first.
Go and take away.
Can you hold on? Hold on. Listen, don't bring me.
We are too global for this.
Listen, wait, I'm clear.
He will not be proud of you.
Can you listen?
Jay-Z will be mad, bro.
Let's go to take away from me now.
Listen, hold on.
Jay-Z will be mad. Don't do this, bro.
Hold on. Get out of here.
Don't get caught fufu-handed, bro.
I'm off here going and
listen, why would you bring this shit? I said guacamole mushroom. You bringing this shit?
You don't need this. You don't need this. You're too global for this, bro. Jay-Z gonna be... Oh, Lord.
Get out of here.
Don't get caught fufu-handed, bro.
Get out of here.
Don't get caught fufu-handed.
Get out of here.
Let me be. Let me go.
Get out of here.
Oh, Lord.
Get out of here.
You're not going to go.
Get out of here.
Oh, Lord.
We in war? Bullshit, nigga. Nigga, how do you cope with this shit?
PT this boy.
What's this called? Fuck it. Fuck it.
Don't do this. Don't do this. Don't do this. Jay-Z gonna be mad.
How do you cope with this shit? This swallow shit.
Jay-Z gonna be mad, bro. I swear to God. You're too global. Don't do this.
I want to eat this because of you. If not because of you, then fuck this shit. You know I won't do this shit.
If we never kill one cameraman, I'm not going to stop the record this nonsense. All this camera. We never kill one cameraman. I'm not going to stop the record. Why not stop? Let's wait about this morning. When you go
on the chokehold.